What's going on, guys? So tonight the meet wasn't that good. At least it wasn't that good for me. I didn't get any run in. So what I'm gonna do is I have 2 runs from way back that I ran when I just got the car. It was against a WRX and a G35. So I wanted to make a long video, but I'll just go ahead and put those 2 videos in here and that'll be it. I'm sorry guys, but I couldn't get any footage tonight. So hope you guys enjoy this, and yeah, have a good night, have a nice day, whatever.